Hey, buddy. All we're gonna need is a 100-footer and a 25-footer.
Okay.
Yep. And why is that? Because we are here to measure this pool for a safety cover, so that they can make the safety cover to go around this little waterfall feature. You can see that's the that's where the waterfall comes out of. So we thought we were gonna have to do some A/B work, but beautiful boulder wall. I think the boulder walls are kind of our trademark here at Juliano's Pools. Anyway, that's about it. Nice little pool, rectangle with a sun shelf. Signing off.